Hello friends, here in Excel sheet I have supermarket sales data and this data is order wise. Here you can see the order numbers and this is followed by the order date, then customer name, shipment date, retail price, order quantity, the taxes and the total. So in this video I will show you how many shipments were made on any particular date. So here I have a column for entering the shipment date and then I have a column in which it will display the number of shipments on that date. So to get the number of shipments, we'll write equal to and then we'll write count if. I will select this count if and then I will select the range of all the dates and then put a comma, and after this I have to write criteria. So I will go back here and for criteria I will select this date and then I will close the bracket and click enter. So here you can see there were three orders or shipments which were made on 6th of Jan. If I change the date, if I make it 9 Jan 2024, then you can see there were two shipments on 9th of Jan. So that's all in this video. Thank you very much for watching this.